All right, welcome back to the Statistic Break Room for KeySports. We're about to do 2013 Panini Select Football Hobby Box, 2014 Panini Totally Certified Football, and 2013-14 Panini Totally Certified Basketball. We'll go basketball, then football. Good luck. There it is. So we can get out of here. Like I said, threads, just one spot left. After that, that's filled. And then we'll be good to go. That is breaking right at 2:30. Brandon Knight, Nikola Pekovic, Danny Green. 12/25 rookie patch, Ben McLemore. 12/25 rookie patch, Ben McLemore. Rookie card, Isaiah Cannon for the Rockets. Marcus Saul, Steph Curry, Courtney Lee. Redemption right here, Jonas Jerebko. Jonas Jerebko, Totally Gold Signatures Redemption. Alex Len rookie card. It said that Premier Players 8 spots left to 1 left in threads. Kawhi Leonard, KG, Jonas Valanciunas. 20/49 jersey swatch of Jason Richardson. Jason Richardson, 20/49. Can't talk today. George Gervin. Anderson, Kawhi Leonard. Out of 49, Bobby Jackson, jersey swatch for the Kings. Bill Russell, Tony Snell. Gallinari, Thad Young, Brandon Rush. Michael Petrus auto for Toronto. Moses Malone, last pack right here. John Wall, Luke Mabute, Glenn Rice Jr., rookie roll call auto for Washington. Rookies Archie Goodwin and Yao Ming. Archie Goodwin rookie and then Yao Ming. We'll go to Totally Certified Football next. Threads basketball filling up. Premier Players, 8 spots left in that. Let's get that filled. Dalton, Cautry, Connor Shaw, rookie card. Aaron Murray, jersey card, rookie. Tony Romo. AB, Ben Tate, 50/100. Rookie Jadeveon Clowney. For the Redskins, rookie card auto, Lake Seastrunk. Gio Bernard. Lamar Miller, Reggie Wayne, CJ Fedorowicz. Rookie roll call jersey swatch, Andre Williams, Trent Richardson. Reggie Bush, Des Bryant, Bradley Roby. Awesome autos right here, Alshon Jeffrey for the Bears. Alshon Jeffrey auto for the Chicago Bears. A nice hit right there. Been waiting on a good one from Totally Certified Football. Aaron Rodgers. Let's go to Select. 2013 Select Football. All right, guys, you got about 15 more minutes to grab that last spot in Threads Basketball. 2014-15 Threads Basketball. Random team group break. $29.95 to get in on that. Giving away a signed Sean Kemp Sonics jersey sitting there right in front of me. Charles Holmes, Matthews, rookie Poyer, Romo, and Jacoby Jones. AP Wilson, out of 499, Rodney Smith, rookie card auto, Rodney Smith. Emmitt Smith, Phillip Rivers, Larry Fitzgerald. Daryl Richardson, Eli Manning, CJ Spiller. Hot rookies, EJ Manuel. Michael Vick, Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis. The law firm right there. I haven't seen him in a while. Trent Richardson, Drew Brees, Wes Welker. Jim McMahon, Prism card. Terrell Pryor, Gronk. Ponder, Pierre Garçon, redemption right here. Who do we got? Sheldon Richardson, rookie auto Sheldon Richardson. Nice player right there. New York. Rookie Terrence Williams, Reggie Wayne, Doug Martin. Andre Johnson, RG3, Chris Ivory, rookie Zach Dysert, Ray Rice, Matthew Stafford. Flacco, Cutler, Ozzie Newsome, Jason Witten. Red Hot, Aaron Rodgers. Richard Mendenhall, Des Bryant. That was mini box number 1. Some nice stuff coming out of there. Let's see what box number 2 has. After this, guys, Threads is coming up, so we're not going to do any live breaks till after Threads. But if you get an order in, we'll do it right after that. So send those orders. I just want to make sure we have enough time to get Threads set up, the group break set up. Lynch, Garcon, Matty Ice, Marcus Lattimore rookie, Foster, Darrell Revis. I always forget Revis is with the box. It was weird to see him with that. Steve Smith, MJD, Antonio Gates, Montana, Torrey Smith, Brandon Marshall. Jordy Nelson, Brandon Whedon, out of 499, 268 of 499. Rookie jersey, swatch auto, Mike Gillisley for Miami. Hot rookies, Eddie Lacy. Carson Palmer, JPP. Bo, Sanchez, Welker, Fitz, Ingram, Von Miller. Chris Johnson, Patrick Willis, out of 499, 281 of 499. Rookie card auto, Jerron Brown. Ellington, Amendola, Witten. Bradford, Morris, Johnson, Kerwin Williams, rookie, VJax, Antonio Gates. Last pack right here. Gordon, Stewart, Manning, Hot Stars, Jamal Charles. New number there. Forte and Luck. There we are. Thanks for the order. I'll have this packed up and shipped out to you. Thanks for the break.